In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate emails in Outlook using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draft a polished email in minutes, using Outlook to send and ChatGPT to write. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and open the official Outlook website from the results. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you can access your inbox. Once you're in, look for the New Mail button, usually near the top left of the page, and click it to open a fresh message window. You'll see fields for recipients, a subject line, and the body of the email. Leave this tab open. We'll come back to it in a moment. Now let's use ChatGPT to generate the content of your email. Open a new browser tab and go to the ChatGPT website. In the message box, type a clear prompt describing what you need. For example, you might write, "Generate a formal job application email for the position of administrative assistant at company name. Include a concise introduction, mention that my CV is attached, and close professionally. Use a polite and neutral business tone." The more specific you are, the better your result will be. A few quick prompt tips to get the best output. Be explicit about the goal and the context. Specify the tone, formal, friendly, or neutral. Tell it how long the email should be. Mention any attachments you plan to include so it references them properly, and ask for a subject line if you want one suggested for you. This guidance helps ChatGPT tailor the email to your exact needs. After you submit your prompt, give ChatGPT a moment to generate the response. Read through what it provides. If you need tweaks, shorter length, a warmer tone, or a stronger opening, ask for a revision right there, such as, "Make this more concise," or "Add a brief achievements sentence." When the email looks good, select and copy the text. Switch back to your Outlook tab with the new message window open, and paste the content into the email body. Add the recipient's email address, and either use the subject line suggested by ChatGPT or write your own. If your prompt referenced an attachment like a CV or a document, make sure you actually attach it here. Give everything a final proofread for names, dates, and details specific to your situation, and adjust the phrasing to sound like you. When you're satisfied, your AI-drafted email is ready to send, fast, clear, and professional.